Students, uh, today we'll discuss the garden and gardening. This is standard 6 and you will find in this video all your question with answer, all short type answer with long type answer and multiple choice. All question answer you will find in this video. Okay, so let's go to the question section. Okay, here is your first question. What is a garden? What is a garden? I'll zoom this question paper, then this is easy for you to write your answer. Okay, so what is a garden? A garden is a plot of land on which flowers and vegetables, fruits, etc. can be grown. Okay, then question number 2, define the following. So terrarium, greenhouse, a kitchen garden and a botanical garden. Okay, so now we'll discuss one by one. So a terrarium is a box with a slide of a glass in which plant can be grown. Okay, then second is a greenhouse is a building with sides of glass and a glass roof. Plants that need protection from cold weather are usually grown in greenhouse. Third is a kitchen garden is a household garden in which vegetables or fruits can be grown. Okay, then question IV point. A botanical garden is an area of land where plants and trees are grown for scientific study. So this is. And then question number 3, name the different type of garden that can be grown. The different kind of gardens that can be grown are house garden, then window box garden, then container garden, then bottle garden, indoor gardens, greenhouse garden, market garden, botanical garden, terrarium and many others. So question number 4, how is gardening an enjoyable activity? Gardening brings us joy as well as satisfaction. When we grow a plant and see it bearing lovely blossoms, our heart is filled with joy and pride. So that next question is, what points should be kept in mind before growing a garden? First of all, we should know what kind of plants will grow well in the climate, soil and space we have with us. We must also take into account that supply of water that we should have for watering the plants. Then question number 6. What four things are needed for anything that can grow? Light, air, water and food are needed for anything that can grow. Then how will you proceed to grow your garden? First of all, we should choose a site that has good soil and water supply. Then we should dig the soil to make it loose, and to get rid stones and weeds, the soil should be raked. Suitable plants food should be added to the soil. Okay. The next question. So you can pause this video and write your answer. Okay. So what care has to be taken to grow plants in window box? We should make sure that window box is strongly built. It should be firmly supported, for it can be very heavy when filled with soil. Then what are container gardens? What care has to be taken about them? Container gardens need only partial sunlight, therefore they should not be placed in a hot sunny window. If we do so, the plant will be cooked. Then what is meant by transplanting? How should it be done? Transplanting means removing a growing plant to another place. It should be done quickly. The root must be kept moist and surrounded by earth. Then question number 11, name some garden tools that are used for digging. Garden tools used for digging are the spade, the frog, the rake and the hoe. Then explain in brief the use of a hoe. The hoe is used to loosen soil to support weeds, to uproot weeds. Some hoes have to be pushed while other have to be pulled. Then इसको थोड़ा देख लेना. For digging, spade or rake for cutting grass, lawn manure and shears for cutting hedge, shears for smoothing the soil, rake for watering the plants, watering can, then for gathering leaves or grass, rake or fork for taking away cut grass, heads, weed, etc. Wheelbarrow. Then next, this word power, you can pause this video and write your answer. I will show you one by one. And this is your grammar use. They made glass from sand. Glass was made from sand. Then they will make glass from sand. Glass will be made from sand. Then they have made glass from sand. Glass has been made from sand. Okay. Then next, question number 5. They are making glass from sand. Glass is being made from sand. Then they were making glass from sand. Glass was being made from sand. They will have made glass from sand. This is answer. Glass will have been made from sand. Then they had already made glass from sand. Glass had already been made from sand. Okay. Then this is second day. Tom is older than John. John is better swimmer than Tom. Tom is taller than John. Tom starts work earlier than John. John works harder than Tom. Then John has got more money than Tom. John is better dancer than Tom. Tom is more intelligent than John. Tom can speak English better than John. Okay. Then this thing you can, I will slowly show you. You can pause this video and write your answer. Okay. This is it. Okay. So this is end. So this is end. I hope you love this video, and don't forget to comment, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.